Did this new YouTube warning suddenly appear when you were uploading a video? And now you're worried your channel has a problem or might get a strike. Don't panic. Your channel is completely fine, and in this video, I'll explain exactly what this message means and what you should do. Here's the part that confuses most creators. What if your video is set to unlisted or private? If you press publish, will it suddenly become public? The answer is no. If your visibility is already set to unlisted or private, pressing the publish button will keep it exactly that way. Your video will not become public. You have two safe options. Option 1, simply tap publish. If your video is set to unlisted or private, it will upload normally while the checks continue running in the background. Option 2, wait for 3 to 5 minutes. Once YouTube finishes checking your video, this warning will disappear automatically. So, if you see this warning, don't worry. It's just YouTube's new safety feature designed to protect creators. If this video helped you, hit the like button, let me know in the comments if you've seen this pop up, and subscribe to TechLoad for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.